Hello friends. I'm sure most of us are familiar with cow dung and horse dung in gardening and farming. But how about using goat dung or sheep dung? Yes, in today's episode we'll look into the 10 benefits of using goat droppings for enriching your soil and whether we can use fresh goat pellets directly on your plants without decomposing. That's coming up. If you're interested in gardening, please subscribe to this channel with the notification bell clicked. Well, many studies and research articles on goat dung as a fertilizer have been published on international journals. All of them say goat manure is one of the best animal manures for healthy soil and plants, especially for backyard organic vegetable gardening. And if you have a couple of goats with you for their milk or whatever purpose, you should never throw away their droppings. You will learn a lot of important stuff about goat dung by the end of this video. Please watch it till the end and learn how to use it and how much to use it in your home gardening or container gardening. This is even now available online at Amazon. You can find a link to purchase this in the description of this video. So let's begin. Goat or sheep pellets are very much dry compared with cow dung or horse dung. Hence they're very easy to collect or even store. It's virtually odorless and hence easy to work with and easy to spread on the soil directly. You cannot directly apply cow dung or horse dung without decomposing because this can burn your plants. Then it's relatively free of insects and maggots unlike the cow dung, but drying in sunlight for at least 2 to 3 days before using or applying or before storage is always recommended. It's a cheap and best organic fertilizer for your plants. As I said earlier, the pellets can be used for direct applications to flowering or vegetable gardens without the fear of getting your plants burnt. Then goat pellets contain a lot of nutrients, the major NPK elements, that is the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and many trace elements like calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese and many others. The nitrogen value may be higher than cow dung or horse dung, especially when these goat pellets are mixed with goat's urine, whether by default or by using some goat bed specially created to increase its nitrogen value. In this case, composting this prior to application is strongly recommended. Then, goat dung increases flowering and fruiting and promotes overall plant growth. It can be used in nearly any type of garden, including that of flowering and fruiting plants or vegetables. You can use goat droppings in your compost bin. It not only enriches your final compost value, but it also decomposes very fast. This is because the pelletized droppings allow more airflow into the compost piles, which in turn speeds up the composting time. Then it's a low cost pure organic fertilizer for your vegetable gardening. You can get it for almost free, especially when you visit any rural place, or you can also get it free in cities. You know how I collected these pellets? These were collected during the Bakrid festival, where you see a lot of sheep being brought into the city and homes. You get a lot of this to collect and you can save for the whole year. For me, this is the most important benefit because I never use any chemicals for vegetable gardening, not even chemical pesticides. Well, goat dung is also an excellent soil conditioner. You can mix it while making your potting mix, similar to how we add the decomposed cow dung into your mix. You're going to watch a related video on this from a link at the top right corner of this video. Then it's used in mulching. For beginners, a mulch is a layer of material applied to the top surface of the soil to prevent moisture evaporation, reduce weed growth. You can use grass clippings, twigs, wood chips, bark chips, and so on. One caution regarding fresh sheep droppings or any animal manure for that matter. Just because goat dung manure is a natural product, it doesn't mean that it's completely safe. They can release disease-causing microorganisms into the food chain that can make you sick. You better always sun dry it completely for at least 2 to 3 days before applications, or you can compost it and then use it. Now, how to use and how much to use. This is an organic fertilizer, so you can use it similar to how you use cow dung or horse dung. A handful of this on a container every 15 days for flowering plants or once in 30 days for your other general plants. Make sure you apply this after tilling or raking the top layer of the soil. So there we have it, folks. That was a short episode on goat or sheep dung as a fertilizer in gardening. If you liked the video, please click a thumbs up and also comment below the video and also share the video. Consider subscribing to the channel if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening.